Hello guys, my name is Lenin and today we will see how to create a Zap using a template. Templates are pre-built workflows you can use to set up a Zap. It is really simple and really fast. We go to our dashboard, we scroll down and we will select this one right here. Share content across social media. We are going to use this workflow. Where do you manage your content? Let's see Google Drive. Click on next. Where do you want to share content from Google Drive? Let's select Twitter. Go next. Finish Zap setup says. Okay, now we're going to allow the app and sign in. Okay, we're going to select the account we want to use for Google Drive. We're going to allow it. And also we will do the same for Twitter. We're going to authorize the app. We're going to remove these extra fields. We are seeing a message over there. And then we're going to click on finish your Zap. Now we're going to see it. And it is as simple as that. On the next video we will see how it works. Have a nice day guys, bye.